The first thing you need to do when adding a new constituent is to make sure they're not already in your database. Let's say you want to add a new constituent named Frederick Abercrombie. ResultsPlus asks you to look up a constituent before you add a new record for them to prevent you from adding duplicates. Creating duplicate records can create some problems, so you want to avoid it if you can. To see if a constituent record already exists, open the Home tab, then locate the Add Find button on the far left. When you hover over the Add Find button, you'll notice that it's really two buttons, one on top of the other. Click the top half of the button. This allows you to look up a constituent by name. Now enter the constituent's name, starting with the last name. Remember, we're looking for Frederick Abercrombie. You can type in a few letters of the last name and let ResultsPlus do the rest of the work. ResultsPlus will use whatever letters you provide and try to find records that match. If you have a lot of Abercrombies in your database with different first names, you might want to enter the entire name to narrow your search. What you want to do is enter enough of the name to be distinctive. Then click the Find button. Once you enter all or part of the name you're looking for and click Find, ResultsPlus will look through your database and display a list of names starting at the same place in the alphabet. If the record you're looking for already exists, you can take this opportunity to verify address and name information and save any changes. Just double-click the name in the list to open the record. If there isn't already a record for this constituent, you can add it now. Double-click the first line, where it reads "Double-click here," to add a new record, or just highlight the first line and click OK. The first thing you need to identify is the type of record you're creating. Is the new constituent an individual, a couple, a family, or an organization? Mr. Abercrombie is an individual type of constituent, and that's the default, so you don't need to select another type. But you do need to indicate whether he is a tribute or a solicitor. A tribute is someone on behalf of whom honorary or memorial gifts are given. A solicitor is someone who will be contacting prospective donors for your organization. Your Mr. Abercrombie will be acting as a solicitor. Click the OK button when you're done. When you see the Add New screen, enter whatever information you have for the new constituent. And be sure to enter values for fields shown in red with an asterisk. These fields are required. When you add a zip code, ResultsPlus may try to verify the city name that goes with it. This will depend on the size of the city and the zip code that you enter. Mr. Abercrombie's zip code turns out to be 63127, which can apply to St. Louis, Sappington, or Sunset Hills, Missouri. So ResultsPlus asks you to choose. Select the correct city from the drop-down list and click the OK button. When you're done adding information for the new constituent, click the OK button at the bottom of the Add New window. After you click OK, you should see the executive summary for the constituent you just added. From here, you can add additional information. You can click Change Photo to add a picture, or click Edit Addresses to add another address. Click Edit General Information to add things like spouse name, profession, matching gift information, or something else. Click Edit Constituencies to associate this constituent with one or more constituencies, such as alumni, patients, or friends. Or you can click any of the other options displayed in blue to work with other information. Now you've seen how to add a new constituent. Click the Stop button to end the tutorial now, or keep watching for 2 tips that might make adding new records go faster. To add or find constituent records quickly from anywhere in ResultsPlus, use the Find by Name button on the Quick Access toolbar. This toolbar is in the top left of your ResultsPlus desktop, right next to the ResultsPlus button. The toolbar is available regardless of which tabs are open, and it's customizable. To add or find several constituent records, select the Keep Find Window Open option on the Find Constituent window. This will keep this window open so that you can keep looking up records, one after the other. This completes the tutorial on adding a new constituent.